Good morning, students. Welcome to your class 10th. Very first class today we are going to have, and today we are going to start from the very first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. So first of all, let me tell you, in your 10th class we are having two books. I hope you all must be having that with you. So the very first book is First Flight and your second book is Footprints Without Feet. So from your book Footprints Without Feet, we are doing this chapter. Again, I am repeating, the name of chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. So I am going to tell you first of all about the characters that we have in this story. Not that much characters we are having. The main three characters are, the very first is the dog, about whom we are going to study. Dog, whose name is Tricky. Fine. And the mistress of this dog is Mrs. Pamphry. The mistress of this dog is Mrs. Pamphry. Fine. And we are having one doctor also in this, because the chapter is about surgery. Even though in this chapter there is not going to be any kind of a surgery taking place. So the doctor is Mr. Harriot. I hope this is clear. So three of the characters that I have told you right now that we have in this chapters. The very first is Tricky, who is a dog, and the mistress of Tricky is Mrs. Pamphry, and we have one doctor who is Mr. Harriot. He is a doctor who is going to treat Tricky. Now, what kind of a problem Tricky is having? Let us find out that too. So, you can keep doing noting down these all things, doing some annotations in your book, because a 10th standard student should have everything in their book, so that at the time you are going to revise anything, you should have that notes with you. So do some annotations along with you. Always have pencil with you. So the very first character is Tricky. Now, what kind of a dog Tricky is? He is a fat dog. That means he loves food, a lot of food. But the bad habit Tricky is having is he doesn't like exercises. No exercise. He always said no to exercise. Clear? That is the reason he has become so fat animal. Fine. But what Mrs. Pamphry thinks? Mrs. Pamphry thinks that he is suffering from malnutrition. Mrs. Pamphry thought that Tricky is suffering from malnutrition. So, she started giving something extra to him, added something extra to his diet, so that he can become more healthy and he can do some more work. But why he was not doing any physical activity? It is clear to us, because he stopped doing any kind of exercises and he was a fat animal. So, your story begins with when we are having Tricky on us, Tricky with us, along with Mrs. Pamphry, and they were on a walk going somewhere, and Mr. Harriot found out them. Now we are going to read from the book. I hope you all are having your textbooks with you. Very first para. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. What is mentioned? Here is Mr. Harriot. Very important. Do write down in your book, everyone. Here is Mr. Harriot, whom I told you is a doctor. Okay. He is the one who treats animals. So, Mr. Harriot was really worried. Worried here is concerned. Worried here is concerned. Let me repeat. Mr. Harriot was really worried about Tricky this time, because this time when he saw Tricky, he was looking very fat. So what Mr. Harriot did, he stopped his car, and he stopped his car because what he saw in the street, he saw Tricky along with his mistress, and he was shocked by looking at his appearance, by looking at his shape. He became hugely fat, like a bloated sausage. Sausage, I hope you know this. I am not good in drawing. Sausage look like this, some kind of this. Fine. So here it is, sausage. Fine. He was looking like bloated sausage, swollen sausage, with a lag at each corner, and it was looking like the sausage was having the lags at each corner. That is how Mr. Harriot has presented us Tricky to us. He was looking like bloated sausage with a lag at each corner. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy. Bloodshot is full of red lines. Let me write it down for you. Bloodshot is full of red lines. Bloodshot. I hope it is clear. Let me remove the front part for you. Sausage part is clear to you. We are going to use this line for our answer. Stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Tongue lolled from his jaw. Very first paragraph is completed. So now moving on to second paragraph. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. Hastened is hurried. Hastened is hurried. She hurriedly explained. What she is explaining? She is explaining that he was so listless. Okay. She is explaining this thing to Mr. Harriot. He was so listless, Mr. Harriot. He seems to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. That is what I told you in the very starting. This was the thing she was thinking. She thought that Tricky was suffering from malnutrition. Now we are moving to our very first important board question. That is, let us first complete this paragraph. He seems to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Now we will get this question. What little extra she started giving? So our question is very important question. Mark it as a star and write it down. Do some annotations in your book side by side. What little extra she started giving? Little extra. She here is Mrs. Pumphrey. She started giving to Tricky. Let me tell you one new word today. In place of start, you can use commence always. So, in place of started, I can say, what little extra she commenced giving to Tricky. Okay. Now the answer we will get in the book only. Do mark it along with me. So what she did? So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil. Do underline please. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. This is the wrong thing she has done. What she started giving? Some malt. Malt is healthy food, you can say. Malt is healthy food. So very first thing she started giving is malt, that is some kind of a healthy food. Cod liver oil. Second thing she gave is cod liver oil. Fine. And a bowl of Horlicks. And a bowl of Horlicks. I hope this side is too visible. A bowl of Horlicks. These three things she started giving: malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks. Everyone has got it in the second paragraph. Do underline and mark it as a star. And what else she's saying? Nothing much really. That is all I have given. I don't think so that it is going to affect his health. Mrs. Pemfrey is mentioning this thing to Mr. Harriot, and they both are discussing about Tricky, who is the main character of our story, the dog. Till now it is clear. So for today we are going to wrap up here. We are today done with our very 2 paragraphs of this story. Further on in our next video we will continue, and we are going to complete this story in my next class. So I hope I will be able to wrap up this story within some of the parts. So let us consider this part to be as your part 1. Part 1 of your very first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. Thank you everyone. I hope you all like this story and understand this very well. So if you like it, do like and subscribe my channel too. Thank you.